Hello, class. I created this video to help with problem number 17 from the 3-2 homework assignment. This video will help you use StatCrunch to find the quartiles, mainly Q1, Q2, Q3. And also, we want to see if we can find the upper and lower fences that we can use to help us discuss possible outliers. So here's our data. It's a lot of data to enter by hand, so I'm going to use StatCrunch, my good friend, to summarize our data. So I press the little table, it opens up in StatCrunch. You press Stat. I want my summary statistics. My data is stored in the column called var1. So here's var1. And what do we want to see? I don't need all of this, so I'm going to click over here. I click mean. I click median, right? Remember, median is our Q2. Here's Q1, Q3. I need the IQR, and I think that was it. I press compute, and let's use this to answer some questions. So what are the quartiles? Q1, well, here's my Q1, 2.285. Q2, that's actually the median, all right? So Q2 is the median, 3.885. Right, make sure you round to 3 decimal places. Q3 is right here. And then the IQR was the 3.28. Okay, so the first part wasn't too bad. Now, what about the fences, the lower fence and the upper fence? To find the fences, you have to, oops, I kind of wrote this in an Excel sheet. Right, the lower fence is Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. Right, so remember, we found the IQR over here. IQR was 3.28, and my Q1 was 2.285. So I need to do 2.285, that's my Q1, minus 1.5 times my IQR. So I did that in my trusty calculator. Right, 2.285 minus 1.5 times 3.28 will give me my lower fence. And my upper fence is the Q3, plus 1.5 times IQR. So here's Q3, the 5.565, plus 1.5 times 3.28, my IQR. That's how I find my upper and lower fences. So I did the work here, right? Minus 1.5, plus 1.5. So my fences look like this negative 2.635 and 10.485. All right. So now the next question, now that we have our fences, are there any outliers in the given data set? Well, are there any values in this data that's below negative 2.6? Do you see any data in here that's above 10.485? If everything falls in between, there are no outliers. So it looks like this student made a boo-boo here. The correct answer would be C. Right? There are no outliers. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.